Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I have a new product. I want to do the review on this Joy Tutus car heated blanket and the Joy Tutus Ice Snow Windshield Scraper. You can use this everywhere. You can use it on a car, SUV, RV, golf car, UTV, on a boat. If you have to travel for a long time and you need to stop, especially on this winter, if you live up north or whatever that is really cold, you can use this on your car. Really simple, really safe to use, and we're gonna put it to the test. In here on the package, it has the instruction how to use it, safety instructions, and if you need help, you can contact Joy Tutus at service@joytutus.com. You can use it on any outlet with 12 volts. Plug it into any 12 volts or cigarette lighter. Check out the LED when it starts working, and your heated blanket will automatically maintain a warm, comfortable temperature. I'm gonna test this on the car. Actually, on my car, here is the connection, and the cable is pretty long. In case that you don't have connections on the back, you only have it on the front, and you need to lay down on the back of your car. Like in my case, on my Accord, well, this one can reach all the way to the back. I have my gun so I can test the temperature at least. Hopefully I can catch some temperature with this one. So let's get to the test. Okay guys, I have the blanket in here. I'm gonna connect it first. The LED is on. Turn it on right here on the control. I'm gonna have to wait. It says that it might take like 15 minutes to fully warm up. Yeah, and you can feel inside the heated elements, and it's really comfortable too. Oh yeah, this is good in case that you need to stop on the road and you need to take some rest. You don't need to have the car on, but I don't know if it will drain the battery. I'm gonna keep it tested like that at least for 15-20 minutes, and I don't. And the heat element is all the way across throughout the whole blanket. I can feel it starting from the cable, and the heat element goes all the way across from here all the way to the bottom. Yeah, I can start feeling. I feel the elements in there. Some portions of the blanket is around 70. It's going up. It's been 9 minutes since I connected, and yeah, start feeling hot on this side, pretty much everywhere. I wish I can have a better device reading the heat, but this is all I have. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes. It's really hot and cozy in here. I'm not gonna be able to show you the readings because with this device it's not a lot that I can do. But you can take my word for it. This is something that if you do long trips and you need to take rest, or you have a golf car and you're driving around on winter time, this is a must. This is gonna help you out a lot. I leave it with that, guys. I hope you like this little episode. Link is gonna be in the description for this blanket and the scraper. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.